Let's go back to Bangaliana and nostalgia. Stay tuned.
Hello and welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So today actually I did my first live in YouTube, Facebook and Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen page. So what I prepared, this is, can you see what is that? This is the Kochu Pata. So I prepared the Kochu Pata Chingri. It's the very basic thing, but there are twists. So what are the twists, you have to find it. So let me show you. This is it, and just go through the video. Live video is everywhere, and you can find this video in my YouTube channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. So stay tuned and just prepare it.
For the recipe, we need chingri like this, not the bigger one, not the smaller one, it's medium. And of course, we need kochu pata or taro leaf, and you have to cut it like this. I'm showing it to you. Cut it like semi thin slices. It is very important, that can change your taste. And then you have to pour some water, and then you have to parboil this kochu pata taro leaf, otherwise you can have itching problem. The color must be intact and you have to parboil like this. So it's almost done and I will keep it aside, don't keep the water. And now pour some mustard oil and then kalo jeera or kalonji I am adding here. And then I will fry the prawn or chingri. So you can prepare this in the iron kadai. Okay, and now it's time for some turmeric. And after that sugar and salt, and then fry it again properly. Overnight I soaked black and yellow mustard seed. So now I will add the slitted green chili and then I will cook it well, and then I will add the taro leaf. By the way, I made a paste of that mustard seed. So once I cook with the taro leaf and the prawn, I will add that mustard seed or shorshe bata, not the kashundo. So mix it properly, and then I am adding the dry coconut powder. You can use the fresh one, but if you are adding the dry one, you can keep this kochu pata chili for a long time. And now it's time to add some tamarind water. So tamarind water I am using because gola dhorbe na, that's it. And I will finish it off little bit of mustard oil, shorshe kacha shorshe tel, that will enhance the taste. So now you don't have to go outside to have kochu pata chingri, you can always make it at home. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed this Bengali delicacy. 2025 I did the live, so it's almost 1 year over. So happy eating and happy cooking. Stay tuned, there will be more surprises coming.